Where should I start? Should I talk about how simple and easy it is to make this cake? Or should I talk about how delicious this cake is? Or should I mention how healthy and wholesome it is? Let's get started and make it together quickly. In a suitable cake bowl, add 2 cups of oatmeal. Add 150 grams of fresh blueberries and half a cup of sugar or plant-based sugar. Add 2 teaspoons of cinnamon powder and 1 teaspoon of baking powder to this mixture. Add 500 grams of Greek yogurt or thick yogurt. Add 2 whole eggs and 2 egg whites, a bit of vanilla, and a few drops of fresh lemon juice. And mix all the ingredients together with a fork. Just like that, place your dish in a 180 degrees Celsius oven for 35 minutes, and your delicious cake is ready this easily and quickly. It's very, very fluffy. You can enjoy it either cold or warm for breakfast or as an afternoon snack. It's absolutely fantastic. Definitely give it a try and enjoy.